Straighten up. What's the plan?
We're gonna drive cars and try not to crash cars. Or just crash cars.
Gotta protect the paint though.
Oh yeah.
Gotta be careful.
Oh yeah.
Here's the rig. Got that. Going to 2 cameras. Coming back over here, triangulated. It's pretty solid. Got a safety strap going here, running all the way inside. Then we'll be able to see what's going on in here. Should be good. We'll see what happens. Killed the card. "11 minutes of footage. So this is set up inside the car that we're following. Little audio recorder, and we get the car noise this way instead of getting the wind noise.
Some of this absolutely stunning footage from Brian. You can see here, I'm just absolutely killing it, dude.
Oh, looks good.
Just looking at that, we're gonna see some lens flares here. You don't even need to touch this up in After Effects, honestly, or Premiere. I mean, this is perfect. Look at that. Look at that. See those lens flares? Oh my! Oh, this is the best part. Go. Whoa! He spun out. That guy sucks.